Okay, I'm back. I decided to take the muffler off. I'm have a look in there at the piston. I still can't see if it didn't look like it had any sparkling. Tested it all by myself. Working blind. That feels weird. Dirty or gummed up or stripped out. I had this dream about making a 620 out of a 590. I think that's what I want to do. I heard that they're pretty much the same saw except for the 620 has a kind of like a factory ported, so it just breathes better. And I can't see what I'm doing. I don't have a flashlight. I should work during the day. Busy during the day. Damn it. Let's see what I'm doing. This is full of shit. There. Sawdust. Sorry. Sawdust and she don't really sound the same, do they? He needs to blow this thing off. I'm going to blow this off with air. Let's look at that cylinder first. Let's see what happens. This kit does come with a T25. Couldn't get it to work on that other saw. Whatever. I got a whole bunch of T25s now. I'm pretty good at burning money. You think I can fix this? I wonder. I'm going to give it a try. I'm going to try it. I want to see what that cylinder looks like. I couldn't hardly get it to turn over. It was all scored up or something. People run these without gas. Oil in the gas. I don't know what they do. They might have leaned it out too much. I heard that was impossible with this saw. You couldn't hardly get them to lean out. Wow, them are long-winded. Still got threads going on it. Maybe we'll skip this part and go right to looking at the cylinder. Everybody's seen these mufflers come off of here. Why don't you come off of there? might put it up if you want to stare at it, you can. There. Looks like it's been used quite a bit. Yeah, that looks really blackened. Yeah, that looks damaged. We're gonna have to get a flashlight and look at that. Yeah, it's not looking too good. I don't know, I'll show you what I can see, which it's not very good. The light I got. It looks kind of black, and let's put it this way, it don't look as good as, damn it. Don't look as good as it don't look scored, it just looks, I don't know, like it was burning real rich, and I don't know. You guys probably can't see shit. We're gonna have to have a look. See it? My videos kind of suck. Something's not right about that. I don't know. I might take it to the chainsaw shop and see what he says. That looks... It don't look like it's got lines or anything. You know, we need a flashlight. I'm gonna end this video. So, over and out.